The notion of food rebalancing is new to you, isn't it? It's a term that speaks to you. And that sounds better to you than a diet. It's the case. Do you want to lose weight permanently while improving your health? But you have a problem. You do not know where to start. You just want to learn the basics of food rebalancing. To start as soon as possible, without taking your head. So that's the whole purpose of this video. A food rebalancing is based on several basic principles in 6 steps. First, consume a variety of foods. It is important to consume a full range of nutrients to ensure adequate intake of vitamins, minerals and other essential nutrients. Second, eat adequate portions. It is important to eat proper portions to maintain a healthy weight and avoid nutritional deficiencies. Third, limit foods high in fats and sugars. Foods high in fats and sugars are often energy-dense and can contribute to obesity and metabolic-related health problems. Fourth, increase intake of fruits, vegetables and whole grains. Fruits, vegetables and whole grains are important sources of fiber, vitamins and minerals that can help maintain a balanced diet. Fifth, drink enough water. Water is important for overall good health and can help control hunger and cravings. And finally, sixth, avoid snacking and processed foods. Processed foods are often high in fats, sugars and salt, and can contribute to obesity and metabolic health problems. It is important to remember that dietary needs can vary depending on age, gender, weight and physical activity, so it is important to consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Do not hesitate to write down its stages in a notebook. Hoping that this video was useful to you, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more information on food rebalancing.